Hey everybody, I just wanted to shoot you all a message and make sure that you guys are ready for our upcoming workshop that's happening online on this coming Thursday. And to see if you had any questions, you can always shoot me or Dina a message, and she can definitely get a hold of me and ask any questions. So those of you who are actually planning to meal prep with us Thursday night, you should have received your workshop kits by now. And I just wanted to make sure that you're going to be ready for our event on Thursday. So if you'll go ahead and open up your workshop kits, inside you're going to find an envelope, and it's going to have all kinds of awesomeness in it for you. So make sure that you open up this envelope, and then first thing you want to do is find your pre-workshop checklist. And this is everything that you need to have done before our actual go live event on Thursday night. So make sure that you're going to get out 10 Ziploc bags. You're going to put the labels that are also in that envelope on those Ziploc bags, and then you're simply going to put these ingredients inside the bags. You can then set those bags into your refrigerator, and we'll finish them off Thursday night, and then you'll move them into your freezer. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. Inside your packet, you also have your grocery list. You should have gotten a copy of this by email whenever you ordered your actual kit. So these are the items that you're going to need in order to be able to prep your kits. You don't have to do all 10 meals at one time if you don't want to. You can certainly just do 3, 4, 5, however many you want to do. You can also change out any of these proteins or vegetables. If you know for certain that your family doesn't like fish, say, then you can change that out to chicken. So those are the two things that you're going to really make sure that you need to have done prior to your workshop. Also in this envelope, you're going to find this workstation recipes. This is the card that you're going to need to have the actual night of our event. And so this is going to tell us in bold all the Wild Tree products that we're going to be finishing off into the bag. So this is the card that you're going to have ready at our event. And then you're also going to have some of these beautiful recipe cards that just give you step-by-step how to prepare your recipes whenever you're ready. It also has some side suggestions and everything on here. And so these are a great thing to keep on hand, put into a binder if you want to, if you're that type of person, or stick into a file so that you have them for a later date. You don't have to have these to prepare the recipes. The recipe instructions are also on each label that goes on the Ziploc bag. This is just a backup plan, and a backup plan beyond that is also all your recipes are already in your app. So if you're meal planning through our app, which I highly recommend, make sure that you go ahead and start transferring the recipes that are in your kit that you chose over to the app. If you have any questions about any of this, let me know. I look forward to chatting with you all soon. Bye.